In this video, we're going to be showing you how to fix it when the taskbar is showing in Fullscreen Roblox. If this does help you out, drop a like on the video, subscribe down below, and let's just get into the video. So if you want to disable the taskbar, as you can see, I'm on Roblox right now, and you can see the taskbar right here. So one quick fix to do this if you're on a PC is you can push shift and then F11 on your keyboard. So that'll be just shift and F11. So I'm pressing shift and then I'm pressing F11, and there you can see now I'm in full screen. Okay, so that's how you get into full screen on the general UI. So now let me go into a game on Roblox. And once you're in a game, what you need to do is you need to press the escape key and then go to settings. And then you're looking for full screen. You can see full screen is off. You want to tap full screen on, and then you'll be able to see that the taskbar disappears. And then you can just press escape on your keyboard again, and then you can play in full screen, and that's it. If this helped you out, drop a like on the video and subscribe to my channel.